Today we are studying that one by Q electric branch. First question, we will right. Excellent. Ask you to calculate asking and the transform. Star and delta. Got it? Now as you that like a right star then it star like this, right? Can we connect down if there is a star, right? Right? 25, right? That is star to I told star and star to right? That is R RA into RC divided by the right n and 5 10 plus 5 plus 10 into 5 right 20 calculate right this 5 5 by right after correct tell me like if diagram rest of black one is right delta correct as it is right or connect parallel find it after same right one is one which converted and red one is they are connected parallel parallel can and right now again as you can are connect one is are same, right? Now after that are in parallel, and that would be combined in. It's difficult or 5 marks, right? Now this chain and the circuit transformation, convert transformation. Can't use KVL, you can't use KVL, can't use whenever they'll give transformation, either you last on so and only, right? Per branch they're asking touch that branch. They're asking current in branch where we know that is a rest of the convert, right? There is connected parallel with arrow would, and this, right? 9 ohm and 5 ohm and and 5 gram 30 volt as it is, and 30 volt, right? There is only one mesh, correct? Combine all the currents in 520. Now you need to find all, how can we, like if positive, that means battery, there is 5 volt, and there is that case final added with that would, but now if battery like and then again that means battery, that would be and 12, that would be 12 minus, correct? Minus 6, take the batteries here, 1 by 1, that means negative is connected with positive, that means they are connected, 35 will become 30, right? Again negative, that means they are in 5 plus 18. Now battery, find it, right? Now which left, 12 volt, right? I'll draw and see 12, they are connected in negative, that would be 1, final circuit, right? 20 and calculation, that would be, can get current, right? I is equal R V, R is the answer current, right? But what they are asking, right? I into I is R. I is how, R is how, final answer 6.6. Understood? Find the right. As you can see that this current parallel with can use diagram would and here above like this currents have to take 5 only plus currents, right? Cut it in. They said minus 20 arrow, right? So yeah, we can 5 ohm 5, right? Diagram. We are having the I'll mark current accordingly. Okay, I1, I, I5. Tell me one, one equation, right? Calculate I3, I2, right? I2, I4, I5 is I5, I1 both are incoming. I5, I1, I6, correct? I5 and I1 is now we need to convert IR, I3 current source, I2 is nine. So it right I1 is 5, correct? I I4 count, I5 will I5, right? I told as it is. Again here I5 as it is. I1 is and I6 5 ohm, right? I5 and we have equal to are having us. Hmm. Now the next question is of also 10 marks. They said determine the value of RL. We need to calculate RL for maximum power. As I told you, for maximum power, RL must be equal to RTH, right? RL must be equal to RTH, and maximum power to be delivered from source to load. So we need to calculate RL only. That's but we need to do it for RL. Current source must be open circuit and voltage source must be short circuit, and RL must be open circuit. No, you if they didn't ask you to calculate VTH, they didn't ask, can don't calculate. They didn't ask you to calculate maximum power as well. See, they ask you to calculate RL only, right? If they ask you to calculate maximum power, then in that case you will use V square TH over 4RL. Then in that case you must need to calculate VTH. But in this case they didn't ask you, so you don't need to calculate, right? Yeah, if they'll ask, then also I'll tell you. First calculate, let's RL. Okay. First of all, you tell me what is RL. It's a tricky question. As I told, right? Sorry, if you are standing the plane path, come towards B, or will you go through the path where thoughts and struggles are? Path. So you this path. So we can't consider first of all. Okay. That is technically redundant. Don't need to consider it. Yeah. Now our circuit for this 9 and at the no, 9 and 4 are connected parallel, right? So it always in E have to read parallel and 2 RL RTH 9 parallel, correct? Right? Then calculate first step will calculate dash, right? Then you need to calculate double dash. Taken this calculate, right? Here you mark current I dash. Here you will I double dash mark current I triple. Dashes I know I dash I double multiplied by 3 dash is I triple dash right? Ultimately you calculate what? Ulti dash plus V double dash triple dash, right? And how will you calculate I dash? By simple I. It is I dash, so make it I2. I double dash, third also I triple dash, get all the three, right? Calculate I dash, I double, right? Ask you, as I told, I have calculate, right? They're asking RMS, RMS, right? Average, right? I. Asking one for at when time is 9, that one I have, right? Out, then contact me, right?